Whew, the wind is brutal out here. So some people might say, you know, you haven't bought a new car in a while. The last car I bought was my son's Jeep last year, October. So you'd be wrong because I bought this. So I sold my Cougar and I bought.
Flashback.
Whew. Got the Cougar looking pretty darn good. There's somebody coming by to take a look at it. So we'll see. Somebody's getting serious. This might be it for the old Cougar. Could be the end of the road. Goodbye, Coug. That's it. Moved it on to the next owner. Hopefully he enjoys it. What can I say? I mean, I can only drive one at a time. Well, now that my Cougar's gone, what am I going to daily drive? Shoot! Dang it, I did not think this through. Nobody wants to daily drive a CJ5. It's not going to be fun. But only be for a little while. I think I'll go wash her. What do you think? She's a little dirty. Maybe I'll just gas her up.
End of flashback.
I bought this. I wasn't gonna buy a Wrangler. This one's is a 4-cylinder with 250,000 miles on it. It's a 96, it's a 97. It was made in May of 96, which was a crossover year for Jeep for the TJs. So it actually went from, you know, they made it early in 96 and then sold them as 97s. So, and the reason I bought it was I went and looked at it, and if you look at the frame, I mean, this thing is solid. I lost the gas cap. On the whole thing, you got this little mark right here, which maybe looks like a trailer hitch boo-boo. And then I think you got a couple scratches. Looks like moving something by in the garage or something maybe. And a few little chips. It was towed behind a motorhome, so it's got a bunch of little rock chips in the front from where the motorhome kicked up. Other than that, it's got brand new 31s on it, 4-cylinder, 250,000 miles, 5-speed, AC. That's literally the only button the guy clicked for options was AC. I don't know why. Came with a hard top, came with Quadratec sliding doors, windows. Let's just look right here. Torque boxes, good. Frame good, floor's good. A little bit of undercoating. And that's it. Been a good driver. Oh, Jim's here. What? I gotta run to the store. I gotta get us some Vodka. Oops. Oh my gosh.
Where'd you gotta go?
To the gas station. This is my friend Jim. He's a four-wheeling guy. Like YouTube channels, you know, you're supposed to introduce more people, make it more interesting. Don't pay attention to this right here. Just he's that guy. He's that guy. Anyways, that way. Anyways, we'll bullshit a little bit with Jim in a minute. We're gonna run to the store and get some libations. So I've only got about an hour to do this clock spring, so I'm gonna really jam through it really quick and just hit the highlights. It's kind of been done to death on the internet, so anyways, we're gonna knock this out. the reason I did this was two things. One, the airbag light is on all the time. Well, when I got the Jeep, that light was out, like removed. That turns the check engine light on. If you remove that one, that turns your seatbelt light on all the time. So I'm kind of undoing all that. And the horn doesn't work, the airbag light's on, so I'm guessing it's a clock spring. So let's see if we can knock that out. It's a 97, so it's got a different club box than what people are used to. We're gonna pull these two airbag fuses. All right, this is just an 8mm back here. Can I get to it? I think I can. So all that holds your airbag in, two little 8mm screws. So this little thing right here, this just pops off. And then this is for your horn. Oh, I guess I shouldn't have done that. But... Alright, this is what you're left with. So we gotta take that nut off, pull the steering wheel. Then we gotta pull this. So my wheels are kind of, everything's kind of straight. I don't think it matters. That's the clock spring right there. Just so you get an idea, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, $10. I've been using this thing for like 15 years. You stick this through here, there's a little thing you push. Alright, it's gonna make the rest of this easier. Right here. There it is. Well, it'd be a lot easier if this was off. Yeah, I broke it. Figures. Oh well. Alright. Better put this on first. I think this one latched. Alright, then you can pull this thing out. Alright, let's undo everything we did. Alright, steering wheel back out. So of course my camera battery died. So moment of truth. And perfect. It's always nice when you properly diagnose something and then fix it. It was about 40 bucks for the clock spring. I got the cheap Dorman one off of Rock Auto. And the whole thing, beginning to end with filming, probably took about 35 minutes. So, anyways. Been a while since we rode a Jeep this fall. We're like packed in here. Everybody's like inches away. I can like it's crazy. So, anyways, drove this same Jeep, flame red, 4-cylinder, all the way to Florida and back as a family. And we drove our YJ too, same thing. YJ was 4-cylinder, 95 YJ, so kind of crazy.
That's the Jefferson. I need some of that.
That's good. Why do I like bourbon all of a sudden? You open it?
I'm gonna open it.
I want to see the whole shebang.
I just
Jefferson's own shit, so that'll work. For you, Kevin.
Do the.
Wait a minute, give Kevin
This
I gotta
is
get a beer.
EM. This is EM. EM. It's my boy right here. EM. Ready?
Yep.
Right to your face.
Happy birthday, brother.
Trash can, you were following me, huh?
All right, which one's mine?
You guys were leaving.
That was
This
we
one?
were heading to the Rolling Stones concert for his birthday.
There you go, there you go.
So
For his birthday, so that was a year ago?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. You sure?
Non-alcoholic alcohol.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Wow. A little bit more bite than the XO.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit.
But it's also warm.